Today I'll be showcasing this Sony Kids camera. This is a 40 mg pixel. It comes with a charger and a strap, and this is a fun multi-purpose camera. After putting the strap on, your child is ready to play. You can also remove the casing, and also you have the SD card that comes accompanied with it. So when you get the camera, you'll find that this camera has complete functioning after you charge it with the charger, and it's a safe camera to use. So let's turn it on. When you turn it on, you have the camera area, the video, the play, the setting, the games, and music. So you can see the clarity of it is 4x zoom, and also it's 180p kids camera, and it has filters, it has framing, it has so many things to make the camera look good. Also, one thing that I love is you can be front facing and rear facing both ways. You also have so many different settings, and let's see the movie section. So you see you can record the movie and it has such clarity, and you can also go and set it to play, and you can play the movie to see what the child has recorded. This is such a fun camera for any kid, and one of my favorite parts is when you go into the setting, you can customize it to your child's setting and to what attracts your child. I also love that the kid can play games on it, so no need for them to grab your phone and use your phone. So it comes with several games, and one of my favorite that I love is this snake game. I actually played a couple of it at times. So you also have a music section, and I love that this camera stores 32 gigabytes, and your child will have so much fun storing 8,500 photos on it.